Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to look at how to create new users for the Dakis Unified Commerce solution. Please note, you will need to log in with either an owner or buyer's permissions in your MyDakis account in order to be able to add, edit, or deactivate users. Now that we've logged into our accounts with the right permissions, we can get started. In the left-hand menu, there is a settings icon. Let's click that now. Under the settings drop-down menu that opens up, we can see an option for users. Let's go ahead and click that now. This will open up the user settings page in our MyDakis account. On this page, we can see the list of active users associated with the account. From here, we can edit or deactivate users or add a new user. Let's start with adding a new user. In the top right-hand corner of the page, there is an orange Add User button. Let's click that now. This will open the Configure New User page. First, let's fill in the fields for the user's first and last name. These are both required fields, but we can leave the phone number and job title fields blank as they are both optional. Once we've filled in the required info, we can scroll down to the account role drop-down found right underneath the first four information fields. If you'd like to learn more about the different kinds of roles, check out our video all about user roles on YouTube or go to help.dakis.com. Next, we'll want to give this new user a default store. Let's select one from the Associated Store drop-down found right underneath the account role field. I chose Mighty Mighty Boss Store. It's my favorite. Now let's scroll down to the Profile section. Here we have the username and email address required fields. Let's go ahead and add the username we want to assign this new user by clicking into the field and filling that in. Next, we'll do the same for the email for the account. Don't forget to hit the Save button at the bottom of the screen. If all went well, we'll be taken back to the User Settings page and a message will appear letting us know the user was saved successfully. Congrats! You've created your first new user for your account. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.